So, welcome to another episode of Rich B's Life's Adventures. Now, today you join me up on the roof of the crafter. We're going to be installing a 4G/5G Wi-Fi antenna. I'm yet to purchase the module, the actual router, but I figured before I get all the roof insulation in, I'll get things like this in so I can route all the wiring down all the pillars and so on. So let's see what we got. I'll put a data spreadsheet now. Okay, so let's open it and see what we've got in the package. Well, I might use one of these myself, but I know someone who has, and he can't rate them enough. I don't know what he's comparing it to, but anyway. So you get the antenna itself, two wires, so it's dual signal. It's omnidirectional, so it'll pick up regardless which way you're facing. It's got two of the SMA connectors. I might need to get an adapter for those depending on what router I go for, but we'll see where I go from here. Also in the package you get a L-shaped bracket if you want to put it on the side of your solar panel or side of a shed, building, whatever, but that's going in the bin. Also you get raw plugs and screws, again for the L-shaped bracket. They'll go straight in the bin. Right, been thinking of where to mount this, towards the front, towards the back, or whatever. Now on the back of the crafters and the sprinters, I don't know if you know at all, but you get two like grommets that are sealed up. Now I'm going to be putting a vent towards the back here, so I need to get towards the back as much as I can. So I'm thinking in this back one, now the wires will come out in the box section where the back of the high level brake light goes. So I think that will be the best location for it. So just there, I think that will be okay. It's actually, the van slopes up towards the back, so it's mildly higher than the rest of the van, but the ground's level, I suppose. But right, let's get to it. Okay, so I mounted the antenna. I didn't put it in the furthest back one, basically because the base of the antenna lined up perfectly with the bigger, more forward grommet. And I figured, well, because that's raised, it's going to do more of the waterproofing for me anyway. So much so that I think I'm just going to rely on the gasket that's on the antenna itself. As you can see, I've put sealant around the thread and filled the grommet, the back of it, with sealant, and that should do a fairly good job at sealing it. Now if I ever need to change it, okay, I've got to dig it out. Worst case scenario, I'll remove the grommet from the whole antenna, but I haven't at this stage, I haven't had to put any further holes in the vehicle. So the grommet is sealed in there. So I figured, well, why not utilise that grommet and just drill into the plastic of the grommet, and then just seal that. So that's what I've done. I'll grab the camera now and show you around what I've done. As you can see, I filled it all with sealant. So unless it comes through the actual wiring, which I might even seal that now, I've said it, so that it can't come through the wire itself, you know, around between the metal and the wiring. I might just put a bit more sealant on there. The wiring, so I might drill a hole, put a grommet in there, take it into the box section, down the pillar, and then all that side is going to be my electrics anyway, so I'll take it down there and I'll put my router down there, and I haven't got too far then to run a power cable to it. So let's have a look from the top, see what we got. As you can see, the antenna fits on the grommet damn near perfectly, and the grommet is raised, so it's very unlikely that water's going to run up the grommet and then into the gasket. So it's nice and sturdy, ain't going nowhere. So next thing now is get a router. I might go for the Huawei or the Netgear Nighthawk. I think it's the M2. I don't really know, I'll see what my budget can stretch to. But like I said, I've only done it at this stage because I haven't put no roof insulation in yet, so I may as well put all the wiring in that's going to go in the roof while I'm at this stage. Okay, another short sweet video. If you like what you're seeing, please like, please subscribe, and please share, and if you really feel like it, hit that little bell icon. You'll get notified of all my further videos in the future. Join me again next time. Thanks a lot. Bye.